Hello and welcome students in this computer class. We have already discussed how to open control panel on the last run. Today we will discuss how to change the appearance of window. For this you have to go into the appearance and personalization option in this window, and then you can see the next window appear on the screen in this way. You have to go and click on this option, personalization. When you click the option personalization, this type of window will appear on your screen. You have to go and click your required theme, or you can change the sound effect or any other changes you want to do, you can do from this window. Now if you customize the taskbar, again you have to go on the same option. Once again you have to click it, and the next option will, or the next window will appear on your screen. This type of window will appear on your screen. You can see a toolbar and start menu, or the taskbar and the start menu. When you click on this, the other window will appear on the screen. It will be looks like that. In this window, this option, that is auto hide the taskbar, this type of option is available. We can go and click on that option. We can hide our taskbar. Customize means actually if we want to do changes, we can do those changes with the help of customize option. We are customizing the taskbar, so we can do changes according to our requirement. So if we have to click on that, and then we have to click on OK, and first we have to click on apply, then we have to click on OK. From the same window we can customize our start menu, we can customize our toolbars. Here is the option lock the taskbar. If you want to lock the taskbar means if we want to do the changes with the taskbar, and we want our taskbar on the right side or on the left side or top, or on the top or on the bottom, we can click it on the option lock the taskbar. Here one more option is here, that is use arrow peak. This option, arrow peak is actually a unique feature that opens all the windows transparent, allowing us to peek into our desktop. So if we click on that option, so we can see all open window to the transparent. Now if we want to customize our clock, we have to go on the option clock region, clock language and region. When we click on this option, the next window will appear on your screen. We have to go and click on the option date and time. When we click on this option, this type of window will appear on your screen. In this window you can see analog clock is available. We have one more digital clock. If you want to change the time or the date, we have to go with these options. We have to click change date and time. When we click on this option date and time, this type of window will appear on your screen. You can see calendar is available. You can see another clock. Both clocks are here. We can do the changes with these arrows, or we can do the changes in the calendar manually. And then we have to click on OK. Now the next one is configuring the mouse. If you want to configure the mouse, we have to go, as mouse is a hardware device, so we have to go and click on the hardware and sound option. This type of window will appear on your screen. We have to go and click on the option mouse. Then we can see other window, this one. In this window, there is an option primary, switch primary and secondary button. It means we are going to change the button from primary to secondary and secondary to primary. If a person is a right-hander, so it's okay. No need to put on tick on this checkbox. But if a person is a left-hander, so we have to go and click on the option switch primary and secondary buttons. When we click on this, the primary button will convert into secondary and the secondary will convert into primary button. We can change the speed of the mouse from this option. Here we have a arrow. You can see slow and fast. We can change the speed of the mouse accordingly. Then we have to click on the option apply and then click off the option OK. We can slide the slider from middle to right side or to left side. If we go on the left side, the speed of the mouse will slow, and if we want to speed up our mouse, we have to go on the right side. Now if we want to change the pointer shape or pointer type, in the same window we have to go and click on the option pointer, and then we can see so many pointers will available on your screen. If we want to click any other pointer or any other shape, we can go and click on that. If we want more option, more pointer shape, we have to go and click on browser option. When we click on the browser option, many more shapes will appear on your screen. If you are satisfied with any shape, you can go and click on that. But if you don't want to take that, or you are not satisfied, you just go and click on the option default. When you click on the default option, the very first pointer, that is the arrow, will appear again on your screen. If you are satisfied with any of these pointers type, you have to go and click on open option. But if you click on open option and you choose any one, after that you want to change, again you have to go and click on the option here, use default. Suppose you have choose this one option, but after that you are not satisfied, you want the earlier one, so you have to go and use the option. You have to click on this use default, and then you have to click on apply, and then you have to click on OK. So students, that's all for today. I hope it will help you to understand the chapter, and now we will do question answers and exercises.